All right, guys, so we're on our second job. We're in the Decula, Georgia area. We pre-vacuumed, treated, agitated. Now I'm extracting the carpets, and you can just see how much better these carpets are coming out. I think the customers are going to be so happy. In fact, let me autofocus on my one, and there we go. So we went and did a free demonstration for a barbecue restaurant that I actually support and eat at, and he was very happy with the results. Gave him the price, so hopefully we'll hear back from them. It don't look like those floors had ever been cleaned before, and they just moved there, I think maybe like a year and a half ago. So they'll be good for the customer base to see some fresh, nice, clean tile floors. But look here, right here, guys. And then after this, I got 2 repeat customers to do. If you look really close at that window, you get all that dirt coming out. All right, guys, and today ended up being a great day. Besides cleaning, I also had a member, Mr. Ray. He bought one of the tickets to the seminar for April the 19th. And then I had one of my Cleaner Connect members. Actually, both of those guys are members. Ignore. And Victor, he's out in California. He wants to improve his residential side of his cleaning business, his carpet cleaning business. So he just called me and he wants to do a one-on-one consulting with me. I'm going to do it next Sunday because I'll be out of town this Sunday. And so yeah, if you can't make the seminar, you can still call me for a one-on-one consultant. I do about 2 a week, and I always get good feedback from them. And again, just getting you guys on the right track for your carpet cleaning business. Carpets are coming out amazing. And that's one thing I love about the tools. The Devastator has that window on it, so I can actually see how much soil is coming out. And then once there's no more dirt coming out, lets me know that we got nice clean carpets. Look at that, guys. All right, man, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up here, making another happy customer today. Got 2 more after this. They're both repeat clients. And that's gonna do it. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. This is Courtney with Truman Steamers. See you in the next one. What? The importance and what? Oh yeah. Yeah, that is important. All right, guys, so I just want to ask Kevin to go get Miss Judy. I wanted her to take a look at the carpets, show her how they're coming out. So we're done. We're almost done with the last room. Miss Judy, how does it look?
I should have videoed that one.
You should have videoed that one?
Don't worry, you got enough video for you. You can steal it from it.
It co- You see that difference?
Yeah.
Now, Miss Judy, how did you hear about me again?
Huh?
How did you hear about me?
On Facebook.
Facebook, awesome.
Now there's every person
Are you
That's not true.
Oh, you read all the reviews?
Uh-huh.
Wow. You know, I'm sorry, I don't hear it that much, but I'll be surprised how many customers tell me that they read all the reviews.
Oh, you have those that are just. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to post it. We've got a Facebook page in here.
Okay.
I'm going to put it on there.
Oh, well, thank you. I greatly appreciate that.
Put that on there
Tonight, thank you. I greatly appreciate it.
tonight.
All right, guys, so you hear that? Customers happy. It's all about, man, getting those results that's going to make your customers happy. And she said she's going to post us on her neighborhood Facebook group tonight. So that's great. All right, guys, go ahead and finish this job up. See you in the next one. Yo. Okay. Yeah, put it in the garage. We'll clean it in the garage. All right, guys. She just added in a few rugs.